Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up territories in Freshsales. The first thing I want you to do, from the left hand panel, come here, click on this gear cog. It will take you to admin settings, and from here click on teams and territories. Now we can click here on territories and we can create a territory just by clicking on this one. So click on create territory, and then you can have a name for your territory. Let's say Dallas. If you have a parent territory, you can select those as well. Okay, but for that you need to enable territory hierarchy in your settings to use these. You can go ahead and add a description if you want. And finally, you'll be adding your users. So there we go. I'll go ahead and search this one up. I'll add this user for that territory, and then I'll click on save. So the selected user will basically show up in the bottom of the overlay along with the emails and roles for each territory. So when you click on it, you'll see them right here show up. And if you want to remove them, you can just click here and remove them from a territory. But it's really that easy, and that is how to set up territories in Freshsales.